Can anyone tell me what these birds are doing? I'm so nosy. But I never seen them do this before. It's three of them, heads locked in. And I want to say they're digging a hole. I want to say. It looks so weird. I low-key want to throw a rock. Because it looks like they're fighting. It'd be crazy if they doing the doo-doo. Y'all doing the doo? No, it's three of them. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, they are digging. Oh snap, oh snap, they're digging. Because three is better than one, right? Okay. Okay. Well, do your due diligence. And happy feedings.